How to activate chat heads in Messenger. So if you want to activate chat heads in Messenger, then first what you can do is simply open up your Messenger, tap and hold on to your Messenger, and here you can go for app info. And under your app info, here you may have notifications option. Tap on notifications, and under your notifications, here you can scroll down, and here you will have chats option. Tap on chats. Here you may have active chat heads option, but if you don't have that, then you will have that option on your Messenger application. So what you can do is simply go for additional settings in the app, which is on the bottom of your screen. But if you don't have option of active chat heads on your settings, then what you can do is open up your Messenger application. Once you open your Messenger, now you can simply go for your upper left, which has that three-dot icon, go for settings, and then if you scroll down here on the Android devices, you will have bubbles option. Tap on bubbles, and here if you have choose nothing can bubble, or you can simply select the conversation that can bubble. So you can simply choose that option, and once you've chosen, now tap on turn on. And once you've turned that on, now that's how you can activate your chat heads in Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.